Today, I'm spilling my fave resin mixing tips. No more bubbles or sticky messes. Grab your gloves and let's get into this resin magic, including my go-to bubble remover trick. Okay, friend, if you want your resin projects to come out smooth and flawless, here's the tea. Always measure your resin and hardener exactly the way the brand tells you. No guessing, okay? That's not boss behavior. Make sure your workspace is warm, around 70 to 75 degrees, because cold temps equal more bubbles. Use clean, dry tools, and when you pour your resin and hardener, go slow to help avoid extra air. Stir for about 3 to 5 minutes. No whipping. You're not making a cake. And scrape the sides and bottom as you go. Let your mix sit for 5 minutes so any bubbles can rise to the top, then hit it with a heat gun or torch to pop them. You can also grab a resin bubble remover machine. They usually start around the high $30 range, and they're a game changer for clearing bubbles fast. Oh, and try to mix in smaller batches so you stay in control. And definitely wear gloves and protect your area because resin is no joke when it comes to making a mess. Now here's a quick clip of me mixing my resin and using my bubble remover machine, my favorite trick, and a total game changer for sure. Now, I am going to warn you, you will see how it pulls the bubbles to the top. Don't panic, give it time. See how it got worse before it got better? Alright, that's it for today. I hope these resin tips help you get that smooth, bubble-free finish every time. And don't forget to keep that 91% alcohol spray bottle on hand to help pop any bubbles after you do your pour. If you liked hanging out and picked up a few gems, go ahead and like, comment, and hit that subscribe so we can keep crafting together. Until next time, stay creative and stay bossy.